Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Zikhona Sodlaka bullet left Gqeberha the empire. The well-known actress Zikhona Sodlaka has unexpectedly said goodbye to the Mzansi Magic's telenovela Gqeberha the Empire. Zimoja has learned through insider production team sources that Sodlaka's resignation was mostly caused by financial disagreements with the show's producers. The insider claims that Sodlaka, who was playing the character of Bulelwa Mxenge, actively sought to renegotiate her contract in order to obtain conditions she felt appropriately recognized her contribution to the show. She tried to negotiate, but the talks came to a standstill, so she ultimately decided to split from the project. Known for her amazing performances and a commanding on-screen persona, Sodlaka has established herself a mainstay in Gqeberha the Empire. Winning over a devoted following, her exit creates concerns about the dynamics between the cast and the show's future course. Thank you for watching.